feeds. That's going to leave our pressure staying still. Back our tools up. We have Cal Blue Plus. Spray that, pour it in there. We are at 496. We can do a leak test. Leak test will be 10 minutes. I think we're gonna pass it. Both the actual caps were loose. Could have more than that, but we'll see. We do got a train aluminum coil, so let's see what we got here. We got 5 pounds, 8 ounces. We're gonna add a ½ pound for the coil downstairs, ½ pound for the line set. So it'd be 6.5 pounds. We're pretty much in the shade. I'm not gonna hook up the temp clamp and do the T-FAC thing, just because I don't feel like it. Past the manufacturer's time and we're holding pressure. We've lost 0.7, 0.9. There is a small leak. You're seeing a little over 7 psi drop. That's start pressure. That's a 26-minute test. That's what pressure we are now, and that's what we've lost. So we had a leak on the caps, which I use Nylog. I got that to the point where that's not leaking. We have an aluminum coil. I don't see no visual, I don't know. I do see no oil on the bottom. Downstairs is a nightmare. So at this point I have offered options. If they want me to look further, if they want me to throw a leak dye kit in there, the Easy Seal, or new equipment. So right now I'm just doing the smoke a cigarette, take a 5-minute break, and waiting for answers. I thought I was recording here, we're not, we're pumping. Feeding pressure. Look at the panel. HFC 410A, 5 pounds, 8 ounces. And that's just for the condenser. Got to add for the line and the coil. So we're just gonna let it fill up. We're gonna do some cleaning up here. Let me put this somewhere where we can see something. Alright, so we're a little over 6 pounds. It's been running for about 10-15 minutes. It's on the high side again. We have a dirty coil. It's the older model, about 10 years old. It gets good airflow. It's pretty efficient, so we're gonna let it settle. And we're gonna add the Easy Seal SS. This is a 2-ton system. These ones are pretty cute. This one is actually a purple one. I like it. Set it right there. See, we're cleaning up here. I'm gonna take the tank off, put the tank away, put the bag away, and we are pretty much set at that point. You can go in that bag. Just reaching for that. Perp guy. Put him on here. Take the yellow guy. This side's open. This will let the refrigeration flow through my yellow. This is open. It'll come back up through my yellow hose, and we'll push this blue stuff. Just had the check valve here off. Watch, go bye-bye. Come on. We're just pumping the liquid through the red line. And it's coming around here, and it's coming back into the Testo 557. We got the high side open, putting it through. We got the charge open, so it brings it down through the charge hose. Ooh-wee. Comes back in. Simple as that. Let me take it off. Attach our gauges. I always use a rag here. Just to bust the seal. That's that. That's done. So then we come back over here and close our red port. And take a look. 11.4. evaporator, 46 degrees, 12-degree heat, 11 degrees sub, 25 delta. It's good enough for my house.